couple of extra smart plugs around my house to control some accessories, and I had used up all the ones that I have. So I picked up Philips Hue branded smart plugs, and today we're going to go ahead and set these up and also go through a couple of awesome applications that I have put smart plugs to use for around my house. So let's jump right into it, and hopefully you get some ideas. I've got a lot of Hue branded accessories around my house, so choosing a Hue plug was a no-brainer for me. But this is pretty simple packaging. You're going to find that you've got the plug right here on the top of the box, and we can jump right out. It's good for up to 1800 watts. That's a good 15 amp circuit for you right there. You got a power switch on the side, and we'll go ahead and jump right into it. You'll see right here, we've got a plug on this end that just plugs into your wall, and then this is the little Wi-Fi module that controls it. So the smart plug that I'm installing today is going on this Christmas tree behind me. We're in my mom's room today, and she has been wanting to be able to control her Christmas tree with her voice. That way when she's laying in bed, she can turn the tree on and off and enjoy it while she's in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing paired. I've grabbed my iPad, which is what I use to control all of my smart home accessories, and we're gonna get this paired and show you how it's done. So the first thing that you're obviously gonna need to do is install the Philips Hue app. Again, I already have a lot of Hue accessories around my house, and you'll see I've got my rooms divided based on where those accessories are. So if I'm in this bedroom, I've already got some Hue lights in here that I can turn on and off with just the flip of a switch. So what we're gonna do now is just plug this into the wall here behind me, and we should be off to the races. We're going to jump over here to our settings page, and we're gonna look for accessories. We're gonna find that we've got a dimmer switch that I have not currently paired, and what we're gonna do over here under the accessories tab is just tap on the plus button, and you'll see that it'll start hunting around for some of the different accessories that you can add. So obviously in this case what we're trying to do is add a smart plug. So you'll see on the menu option over here, smart plug is right there. We're just going to click on smart plug and we should be able to pair for it. So it's going to look over the Wi-Fi network for that smart plug. It's hunting around trying to find it. So it's found one accessory. We're going to start configuration. It has found that plug. We're going to name it Master Bedroom Tree. And now with just the flip of one switch inside of the app, I can turn the Christmas tree on and I can turn the Christmas tree off. Super convenient. I can also control all the rest of the lights in the room. So if I want to turn everything on at once, there's still that one great master switch. But what I love about Hue products is that with just one command, turn on the lights. All of the lights and all of the connected smart plugs turn on all at the same time. So I can turn on my lights, I can turn on my Christmas tree. It's really, really convenient when you pair it with a smart speaker. Turn on the living room TV.
Got it. Turning the living room TV on.
And you'll see just like that, we're actually able to turn on and control the TV behind me using my voice and a smart plug. So if I want to turn the TV on, I can fire it on just like I did here. Inside of my office, I have two soft boxes that I use when I'm recording my videos. And if I want to, I can just simply say, hey, turn off the production gear. And just like that, I have turned off just the soft boxes behind me while leaving on the rest of the lights in the room. It leaves on the tree, it leaves on my smart light panels, as well as my Hue light bulbs, because I've named it something that is different and does not have the word light. One of the other things that I use smart plugs for around our house is to control the Christmas lights outside. And I've actually set up a sequence that when the lights are plugged into the smart plug in our garage, it will actually turn the lights on and off outside that the neighbors can see when they're driving around looking at Christmas lights at certain times. So every single day starting at 5:30, right about the time it gets dark outside, our Christmas lights outdoors turn on. Then Sunday through Thursday, when people are not staying out as late, they turn off at 10 o'clock, therefore saving us electricity through the hours that people are not commonly driving. Then on Friday and Saturday night, when people are more apt to be out late, going to restaurants, doing things, coming home after they're done, they stay on a little longer until 11:30 so that people getting in later on the weekends actually can still see the lights and enjoy them when they get home. So here in about 20 seconds or so, all of our lights should just automatically fire up at exactly 5:30, and it should be 5:30 in about 10 seconds, and you'll see I've got some reindeer here in front of this window that are going to light up right when the clock strikes 5:30, just because we've got those smart plugs established and set up to go at exactly 5:30. So here in a second, we should see these guys turn on. Let's see, I actually have not ever been out here right at 5:30. There they are, and it is currently 5:30. I've been a big fan of having smart plugs and have quite a few of them around the house, as you can see in this video. If you got some cool ideas out of this video, then definitely drop a comment down below and tell me what you're using your smart plugs for. I'd love to hopefully share some ideas and get some new ideas on where I can put some smart plugs around my house. So I will catch you in the next video and hope to have you subscribe so that we can hang out again sometime. It's been real.